Joseph proposing Sarah.
Hi, Sarah. I have something special for you.
Hi, Joseph. What is it?
Close your eyes and hold out your hands.
Okay, my eyes are closed. What is it?
Open your eyes now. I want to spend the rest of my life with you. Will you marry me?
Oh my God. Yes, yes, 1,000 times yes.
I'm so happy. You've made me the luckiest person in the world.
I love you so much. I can't wait to start planning our life together.
I can't wait either. I'm looking forward to every moment with you.
Me too. Let's share our love and make beautiful memories.
Let's do that. I want to make you happy every single day.
And you do. You make me happier than I ever thought possible.
I'm grateful for every moment we've shared, and I'm excited for our future.
Me too. I love you more than words can express.
And I love you more than anything else in the world.
I can't wait to be your wife.
I can't wait either. I love you.
I love you too. Forever and always.
Hope you people understand it clearly. So please like and subscribe our channel for more interesting video.